Hello people. So like in my free time I like to keep watching these different kind of movies on Amazon Prime. So there's this Telugu movie called Enduku Emo, and why that movie got made is Enduku Emo. Like Enduku Emo means why, for what, that's like for why, I'm not sure, I don't know. Emo is, that's what is the meaning. So yeah, I mean, here it is a different storyline, but now everything depends on your definition of different. Like, you know uh, like it's an honest attempt, I'll say that. So but Enduku Emo is the kind of film you should watch when basically you are like, it's like your life is Enduku Emo, like you are just wondering what you are doing with your world. So you can watch a film like that. But no, because I'll be honest, yeah, there are lots of films that are being made without that basic thing called logic. I mean, like, it's no, yeah, some of the films are insulting the audience's logic, yeah, audience's intellect, like, not that we are too intelligent in the first place, but still. But anyway, people, try and catch it. Yeah, really, because it is a unique experience. Watching certain movies are a unique experience. So watching Enduku Emo is one such experience. And I personally like these love triangle types, especially if it involves two guys and a girl. I think that's like very cute. So this movie has that. So that is so unique. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.